Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. And last month I did some shopping from a website called rosegal.com. They have a wide variety of clothing, shoes, bags, accessories, uh, makeup, brushes, and everything. So, what they do is they sell good products like trendy products or trendy pieces on affordable prices. So the team contacted me and they wanted to send some stuff for review, and I said yes. Initially, I was a little apprehensive because I never buy my clothes online because I'm never sure about my size. It kind of keeps on fluctuating, so that's the biggest challenge. But then um, I just kind of guessed and I thought, I can place an order for my tops so that even if it comes a bigger in size, I can get them ordered or something. So I was like, cool, I will place order for some tops, and then I placed order for some handbags. So this is going to be uh, rosegal.com haul come review. So yeah, let's get started. So I placed an order around 25 days ago, and my package reached me obviously in 25 days, and I did not pay any customs anything on that. They provide free shipping. I'll have everything mentioned in the description bar. You can have a look and see. So also they run a lot of new discounts, offers, and features on their website, so you can go ahead and check it out. So I placed an order for 3 tops, 3 bags, and 1 sunglasses. I wanted to buy a distressed denim as well, but then it was like out of stock, so I had skipped it. So I'm going to show you the tops I picked. One of the tops I have already worn during my Amritsar trip and posted a picture on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what top I'm talking about. It's a blue kaftan top. I really love it. So this is the top, and it has beautiful work on the sleeves. It's pretty long. The embroidery on the neckline is beautiful. I really love the fabric, and it's a beautiful top. Second piece I picked is this denim shirt. It has a beautiful embroidery on the neckline. I really love such pieces. It's simple, and again it has a bit of embroidery on the cuff, and this is again in size small. It fits me really well. I really like the fabric. It's of really good quality. Third shirt that I picked again has embroidery, but it's slightly different. It's this striped shirt, and it has embroidery here. This entire, and it's pretty long, and it's roomy. It's kind of slightly loose on me, but it looks really good. I cannot tell what fabric it is. I've again picked it in small size, but this shirt is slightly bigger than rest of the shirts I have picked. So the size can be a slightly issue. This one is slightly roomy, but I am fine with it because I like bigger size shirt, oversized shirts and all. You can tuck them in. You can tuck them. You can tuck them in your denims, and they will look absolutely beautiful. You can roll the sleeves up. I think this is going to look good. I'm going to wear it very soon, and then I'll post a lot of pictures on my Instagram. You guys do not forget to follow me on Instagram because I keep on posting a lot of stuff there. Let's move on to the bags I have purchased. I have picked 3 bags. The first bag is this one. This is like a brown kind of washed leather bag. Obviously this is a faux leather bag. This is not a pure leather bag, and I really like the detailing because it doesn't look and feel like a cheap bag. It was not cheap, but the only mistake I made that there was a set. This bag was part of a set. I didn't see the set. I didn't realize that there will be entire set that will be coming to me. So this is not the only thing that I received. I mean, inside this bag there were like 4 more bags. This is the second bag which was inside it. It's a beautiful like a satchel. Then there was this pouch. I was really surprised. This is quite big, and you can keep a lot of stuff inside. See, this is quite big, and there is a good quality lining inside. And the fourth piece was this beautiful clutch wallet. Sorry, and this wallet is again quite roomy. You can keep your money, your cell phone, and it looks good. And the fifth piece was this keychain holder, oh sorry, key holder or something. So this was the other piece. So this bag has small handles, and then you get straps. So you can use this strap and or you can use these handles, because these are not very short. But if you want longer handles, then you can use the strap. There is a strap inside, and there is one more bag inside this. So where it is, this is a cute small pouch. The second bag is this backpack. This backpack, I cannot tell you how much I love this backpack. It has this snake skin texture. I'm not sure if it's visible. It has this snake skin texture. Then you have straps on the back. Then there is a top handle as well if you would like to carry it like a bag. And then there are straps. Then there are straps you can carry it on your shoulders. It can become a shoulder bag, or you can use it as a backpack. It's very, very pretty. And the quality is also very, very good. The chain quality and everything is really, really good. Lastly, the third bag is this one. This looks really beautiful. It's not this bright. I don't know why it's looking extremely bright on camera, but it's more like a cherry maroonish red. So there is this handle, and then there is a strap inside. So you can use the strap, and but this looks really good. It's quite roomy, and the quality again is really, really good. The last product that I picked was these sunglasses. I'll show you. These are quite trendy, and they looked really good. I was surprised by the quality, because again the quality is really good of these sunglasses. I'm not sure about these, but I was like really excited, interested in trying something different, because I already have aviators. I have Club Masters. I don't have any such kind of a trendy piece, but it feels so good when you put it on, because it fits quite nicely, and the handles and everything and the frame, everything feels like really sturdy, and this looks really good. So I'm quite happy with my purchases, and I'm definitely going to purchase more clothes from there. I really like the quality of clothes. Since I already have too many bags, I'm not going to buy more bags, but I'm going to buy more clothes from them, because they have insane variety of clothes. They have bikini, they have swimwear, and then they have dresses, prom dresses, party dresses. Then you can buy sportswear, clubwear, lot of stuff. Like, it's endless. You can see there are thousands of pieces there. So I'm quite impressed with the delivery time, the quality, the pricing and everything. So if you're interested, do check out. I'll link each and every product in the description box. There will be direct links, so you can go and check the products out directly. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this small haul from rosegear.com, and I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Till then,